Yeah, you can eat it.
Yeah. What? Alright, so I'm having pizza. I took off as much as I could, whereas like the bacon, threw the rest in the trash. And then now I'm getting ready to have some protein. So I decided to just go ahead and pick up this Greek yogurt. This has 15 grams of protein, and I added 2 teaspoons of the granola. And it is now 1:23, and it's what, the 3rd. And I had 1 thing of water, so I'm way behind on my water, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So this one here is day 2. I am getting ready to go work out. So we want to make sure we get that in because we didn't do that yesterday. All right. If you didn't see the stats, I forgot to add that in day 1's video of like how many steps I got in for that day. So even though you're not working out, even though that is supposed to be a part of the checklist, but moving around, cleaning up, going in and out of stores, running errands, all of that counts as movement. But for as like your exercise, that should be separate. So even though with this 75-day challenge here, they do not tell you exactly what to eat, but it does say to eat healthy. I'll show you a little bit of what I got out of Sam's Club. And where else did I go? I went to Burlington. I went to Kiki's, only had 1 French toast, and it had egg on it, and I didn't think it was going to have it, but everybody makes their French toast different. London ate the 2nd French toast, so the 1 French toast that I have left over and with the fruit, I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Yeah, and I'm also going to show you what I'm going to eat for dinner today. So here I got this tropical fruit. No, it's not the healthiest, but at least this is good for making smoothies. This is watermelon. This one here is seedless. It is best to have the one with the seeds, but they didn't have the seedless one, and I paid $9.99 for it. So this one was good. It's poppies. This one here is the variety pack. I am an ice girl all day. I love the canned ice and water ice. You can get it from Dollar Tree for $1.25. It is actually the best sparkling water drink to me. The reason why I picked this up is because I was watching Aaliyah's face here on YouTube, and she was making a, what is it called, Sleepy Girl mocktail, and she used poppy and cherry cranberry juice. I don't know how you would say it, but it's cherry. You would use cherry, and then you would use magnesium powder, and that's like the Sleepy Girl mocktail. I want to make that one day this week, so I just got to get the rest of the ingredients. So got like a bunch of water. I always drink all of her water, the 16 ounces, so we had to get the small ones. So therefore, it's kind of hard for me to get my water intake. I decided to filter my own water. So what I did was I boiled it, and then now I got it in the freezer to get it cold. Some more other stuff that I got. Picked up a big bag of broccoli because the goal, if I have not already told you guys, aside of me being a vegetarian, okay, my goal is to eat more whole fruits and veggies. It's doable for me because, you know, it'll last longer, and I don't feel like I have to overindulge just to eat all of my food before it goes bad. I always find myself getting full off of carbs. Protein does not keep me full for hours as much as carbs will. As far as like my carb intake, I'm trying to keep it kind of low. So yeah, I need to eat fewer carbs. So I'm not trying to go into that whole keto stage around 50 grams or less. It's gonna be more of like the low carb. Just try to keep it close to maybe 180. Your girl may have to start tracking. I don't know. We'll see how I do next week as far as my weigh-in. I went and got me some more the Beyond Burgers. You get 10 in a pack and it was like $15. So these are pretty good to me. I never had it crumbled up, and I was looking for the crumbles in Sam's Club, but I didn't see it. So if I want crumbles, I can just chop this up. This looks weird when it's unthawed. I'm telling you. So the rest of the stuff in here is for the rest of the family, you know, whatever. The Oikos 000. So I got all flavor. My favorite flavor is the vanilla. I don't really like the mixed berry or strawberry compared to the vanilla kind. Bought a big bag of romaine lettuce, thing of grapes, and these have seeds in it. Of course, seeds are better than seedless. Bell peppers, so you get 6 of these. And I prefer light. Ooh, what is all this on here? Where did this gum come from? Ew, my hands are all on it. Some yellow rice. The agenda today, I'm going to be making spring rolls. Like I said, it's so easy to just eat a bunch of carbs. I honestly prefer to get all of my carbs just eating regular potatoes. Amazon kicked lately, and it says like good morning, all of this right here. Obviously I'm late. It is 3:46 p.m. to use this tomorrow at work, so you will see me fill this up. I'm going to wash it out so I can have it ready in the morning. It does come with all different colors. I will leave a link below so that you can check it out. It's my little affiliate link. I do get a little commission if you choose to buy tonight. I don't need to play around. So ounces, which is 16 ounces. And you can just throw this in the microwave. All right, so let's go work out. All right, so I just completed my workout. Oh, I forgot to stop it. I just filmed another video. Yep, my exercise ring is closed. I got to run an errand, so I won't be able to have my meal until later. All right, so here's my dinner. It is, I'm telling you, 6:20 p.m. I am having my spring rolls, then my broccoli with teriyaki sauce. This one is that one sauce. This one here is chili, sweet and chili, and the other one is that Thai something. Some chopped up onions and carrots and a little bit of lettuce and cilantro. So, because I didn't have cabbage, I forgot to buy it. So there's my dinner, and then of course I'm going to have me some cake later. All right, so I am getting ready to end my night. Okay, it is way past my bedtime, so I am reading prayers and promises for women. So I am going to be reading my 10 pages. Okay, and I am so proud of myself today because I checked off some of my tasks. Tried to eat healthy, any alcohol today, which I rarely do anyway. And I did my 45 minutes, which is a plus for me. Then meal prepped for Monday and Tuesday, which I might just eat it all Monday. Did my night routine, and now I'm reading my 10 pages. So this is what my stats look like. And there we go. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, gorgeous.